Hello friends, so welcome to our channel. Now we are going to see one coding question that regarding to code beta. Find kth largest factor of n. So what is a factor? For example, I am taking that d positive number. If the n is divisible by this d, then we are called d is a factor of number n. So now we are going to discuss with one example. So taking that n equals to 12. So what are the factors for number 12? The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That means if you divide 12 with these numbers, you get the remainder 0. So we are saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors to the number 12. Now we are going to find the kth largest factor of n. That means, for example, I am giving that 1 is the input here. Then I am going to find first largest factor of n. If I am giving 2 here, then I can find second largest factor is 6. In this example, I am giving the input 12, 3. That means the input is separated by comma. Now 3 is factor. Now what is the third largest? 12 is the first largest, 6 is the second largest, 4 is the third largest. So it prints output 4. Another case we are going to take input 30, 9. So for 30 we are taking as n. What are the factors for 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So that means here I am giving that input 9. There is only 8 factors for 30. There is no 9 factors. So it prints 1. So now we see the program. So what is the input we are going to read from the keyboard? I am giving that input 12, 3. So the first instruction is n, k equals to, I am taking the input dot split. In previous programs we are using split without arguments. That means the input is splitted when the spaces is occur. Here when the comma is occur, then it is divided into the two parts. One is 12, another one is 3, and these are stored in n, k. That means n equals to 12, k equals to 3. That means you are going to find the third largest factor for number 12. So now I am taking one empty list. In this list I am going to store all the factors of 12. So how I can find all the factors means, for example, I can divide this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I take the first value. That means range of 1, n plus 1. So 1 to n plus 1. n plus 1 means 12 plus 1, 13. 1 to 13 means these are the input. I am taking that n value. N value equals to 12. 12 percentage 1. We get the remainder 0. So I can append this 1 in list here. This is the list I am taking. 1. Next iteration. This become 2. 12 percentage 2 equals to 0. So condition is true. You are going to append this to the list here. That means 2 is append here. Next we get the 3. 12 percentage 3 equals to 0. True. So 3 is appended to list. Next 4. 12 percentage 4 equals to 0. It is true. So enter into this L dot append of 5. That means 4 is appended to list. Next 5. 12 percentage 5 equals to 0. No. It is false. Then go to 6. 12 percentage 6 equals to 0. It is true. So L dot append 6. Next 7. 12 percentage 7 equals to 0. It is false. So we don't append. Next 8. 12 percentage 8 equals to 0. No. False. So we cannot append. Like that 9. False. 10. False. 11. False. 12. True. So 12 is appended in the list. Up to here, you can store all the factors of 12 into one list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors to the number 12. Now we are going to find the kth largest factor to the number 12. So what is the highest factor to the 12? This is. What is the second highest? 6. What is the third highest? 4. Fourth highest? Fifth highest? And this is the sixth highest. So how we can identify the last index means by using minus 1. From last but 1, minus 2. This one, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So here we have two conditions. One is if we are giving the k value that is greater than the factors. So that means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I am giving k value greater than 6, in all the times it prints 1. If it is false, then I am going to print the value in the list. Here I am giving the k value equals to 3. 3 greater than length of L. So length of L means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 greater than 6, false, go to else. Print L of minus 3. What is L of minus 3? It is the 4. So 4 is the output. If you are taking the 30, so another input they are giving in 39. So factors for the 13 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 30. Now I am giving the input 9. So 9 is greater than, what is the length here? 8. So it prints 1 in this case. Now we see the kth largest factor of n program. So first the input is like that. I am giving the 12 comma 3 and the expected output is the third largest is 4. So I am going to read two variables n comma k equals to map of int comma input dot split comma. That's it. So now n and k are read into the n variable and k variable. Next we are going to take one empty list. So now we are going to store all the factors of n into list L. How? For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. N plus 1. Every time I am checking that n percentage I equals to 0. Then I store the I value into the list L dot append of I. That's it. So now we can store all the factors in list L. So now I can print the value. If k greater than length of L. So what that means? If I am giving the ninth factor to, already we discussed in theory. So 30 comma 9. So 30 has only 8 factors, but I want ninth factor. So at the time I print 1. So otherwise I print kth, print L of minus k. We can check this. I am giving the variable 12 comma 3. Yes, it is 4. Now I can check with 30 comma 9. It returns 1.